good cloudy with peaking sun and high thick overcast as a noticeable cold front is moving through with a little bit less humid and less hot today. Feels awfully nice. You see what we got going on here in Litecoin. We'll start off with. You see we're being squeezed right now. Make that smaller. See we're being squeezed in between the 200-day and the 50-day. You're going to keep bouncing until it squeezes it enough that it forces it up. Or if we delete that, move over, it forces it enough into this overhead resistance line, and that it by itself will force it down. Because there's still no volume except sell volume on any of these coins right now. And this is the hour time frame. And this was the rising channel we told you we were in yesterday, or a rising wedge. And then it broke out here and came up and got rejected by it again and the overhead 200. And then it started trading sideways and down. So I would look for this key area today. Well, if it just trades sideways, it's going to move into this overhead moving average by the 26th, or if it comes up, it's going to hit it quicker, and then it's going to have to get some volume to break it, which I highly doubt, and that's not the most probable scenario. The most probable scenario is it starts to trade down, right? That's what I'd be looking for in Litecoin. Sick of talking about these same coins. Let's look at ADAD, right? We did a little analysis for this guy the other day. We said it was going to come down to here, and it did. We made the video back up here for him, right? And then it came down, or we did the video maybe here, and we said it would come down double bottom, and it did. There's still no volume coming in ADAD. I wouldn't be too bullish on this if you've just entered in a position, or if you have been in one and you're trapped, because you were just like all the other coins. They all follow Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, all these other coins do. If somebody else is telling you that's false, they're lying to you. If Bitcoin's pumping, eventually these other coins will pump. If Bitcoin's dumping, these other coins will dump. It's just how it works. The shysters and fleecers that aren't telling you that are lying to you. And you can see we traded sideways out of it, retested, got rejected. Now we're squeezed. This thing's about to make a major move to upper resistance, or it's going to make a major move down to have our third bottom down there on its way lower in a probability-based way, seeing as there's no volume leading into this pump. I'm saying it's coming down in a significant way before it goes up in a significant way in ADA. If you're in that coin, Quant had a nice pump yesterday, but it's in the same general thing as the rest of these coins. Rising wedge, right? It's not that difficult. You guys see that? And these are just trading rules. Rising wedge, falling volume, and a rising price. I think I've said that a few times and called all these coins beautifully. Very bearish. So again, in this coin and Quant, if you start trading in here and you don't get any volume, you can come up for a phenomenal, fantastic double top right there, and then you're going to get rejected in Quant, right? Unless volume comes in. Raven coin, I don't even know why you'd be in that. I'm not even going to go over that. VChing, like all this garbage. I wouldn't be in any of that, but if you are, I'll review it for you. Gold, don't get shaken out today. They had a pump in the gold price, but a dump in the mining stocks. I picked up some more shares because I felt like that was a phenomenal thing to do on the dump, because gold's very strong right now. If you have any requested coins, hit me up. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.